But DNA damage and repair shaped far more than just cancer. For years, the spotlight has been on oncology, and for good reason. Targeting DNA repair vulnerabilities has transformed the way we treat cancer. But DNA damage and repair are fundamental processes of life, and when they falter, the effects ripple across medicine. In aging, accumulated DNA damage is now recognized as a hallmark driving cellular decline. In neurodegeneration, impaired repair contributes to the gradual loss of neurons in diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. And in the immune system, DNA damage shapes inflammation, autoimmunity, and immune exhaustion. In metabolic and reproductive health, it influences complications of diabetes, fertility, and embryonic development. And in toxicology, space medicine, and regenerative therapies, measuring DNA integrity is critical for safety and innovation. Across all these fields, one thing is clear. To make real progress, we need tools that can precisely detect DNA damage and repair, not just scars of the past, but activity inside cells right now. That's where Stride comes in. Our platform opens the door to a new era of research and clinical translation, where understanding DNA damage and repair can drive breakthroughs far beyond oncology. Want to see how? Let's connect.